Okay, my dear students, welcome to our JM online classes. And now we are going to analyze the one more very important topic and very easy topic, that is types of sentences. So about sentences we are going to see now. Generally we have so many kinds of sentences. Out of this all kinds, today we are going to analyze some kinds of sentences. Kinds is nothing but types of sentences. Okay. Now we will see how many kinds of sentences we have in English, how we have to identify the sentences in the exam, how they will ask these kind of questions in the exam, everything we will see now. Okay. Listen. So now we are going to see how many kinds of tenses we have, sentences we have. So here we have 4 types of sentences only. In English, how many types of sentences we have? Particularly 4 types of sentences we have in English. In that, number 1, declarative sentence. It means normal statements ends with a full stop. It ends with a full stop. Normal statements, declarative sentences. All declarative sentences always ends with a full stop. Normal sentences, general sentences like I am teaching, sunrise in the east, you are listening to my class. Normal sentences. It is not question, it is not any order, it is not any suggestion. It will be the normal case. Next type is interrogative. Interrogative is nothing but questions. Ends with a question mark. Ends with a question mark. So interrogative means questions, and we will ask so many questions like what is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? When did you join this institute? Are you happy? Is it raining? So, is it raining? Are you happy? Or helping verb questions. At the same time, we can question by using WH word words also, like what, when, where. These all questions will come under the interrogative sentences. All questions will come under the interrogative sentences. This interrogative sentences ends with a question mark. This interrogative sentences ends with a question mark. Next, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences generally conveys a command, request, wish, suggestion and ends with a full stop. Generally, imperative means the sentence conveys the idea of wish, command, request, order, anything it will tell. It may request, it may like order. For example, request, please close the door. Request, order, get out, order. So, it is imperative. Okay, now take medicines regularly. Suggestion, I am suggesting you to take medicines regularly. So it is also the imperative sentence. So all imperative sentences will convey the order, suggestions and the commands, request, everything will come there. Okay. Last but not least, it is exclamatory sentences with ended with the exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamations means sudden feelings and strong feelings. All things will come under the exclamation sentence. And for example, what a beautiful painting. Here what is not a question word. Here it is an exclamation. What a beautiful painting. Enta andamaina painting. Oh. It is looking like question word. But here question word we use it to express our exclamation. It means strong and sudden feelings ended with exclamation mark. Okay. So here once again see my dear students, we have 4 kinds of sentence in English. One is declarative, second one interrogative, third one imperative, fourth one exclamatory. Assertive sentences or declarative sentences, it means statements and ends with a full stop, and interrogative sentences ends with a question mark. Imperative sentences generally conveys the feeling of ideas like advice, suggestion, order, request, command. These all things will come there. And next, the exclamation sentences is used to exclaim something or telling something and enter with the exclamation mark. Okay. Now, based upon these sentences in exam, they will give you one sentence and they will ask you to identify the given sentence belongs to what kind. So, the sentence they will give you and you have to answer that as a given sentence is or assertive or interrogative or imperative or anything else. You have to answer that. Okay. Now, we will see some sample questions which we are going to get in the exam paper. So, here types of sentences we are going to deal now. Circle the correct type of sentence, then write the answer in the box provided. So here they gave one question to you and they gave options. The question is whether interrogative or exclamatory or imperative or declarative, and they are asking you, the question refers to what kind of model. So here I will read the sentence to you. You just tell me what kind of type it is. Okay. Here see everybody, first I think you cannot see properly, but I will read slowly. You try to follow my words and try to say me what kind of sentence it is. If it is a normal statement, say declarative or say assertive. If it is question, say interrogative. If it is any order or request or suggestion or beg or anything else, say me the imperative. If it is exclamation, say exclamatory. Okay. Now we will see the first sentence on screen. Our family is not going on vacation this year. Our family is not going on vacation this year. It is not question. It is not any suggestion. It is not exclamation. It is normal sentence. Our family is not going this year. So generally I am telling, normally I am telling, normal sentence, general statement. It means declarative sentence. What is this mean? Declarative sentence. Next. Second one, see everybody. Did you wash your hands after playing outside? Did you wash your hands after playing outside? Did you wash your hands? Question. WH word question, not helping verb question. Helping verb question ended with a question mark. So it comes under the what kind of model? Interrogative model. Questions all comes under the interrogative model. So here it is the correct option. Interrogative is the correct option. Okay, interrogative model. Next. Quick down in the back of the bus. Quick down in the back of the bus. Quick down in the back of the bus. Ended with a exclamation mark. So we can say it is a exclamatory sentence. The correct option is the 2. Exclamation mark we got here. So exclamatory sentence. Next. Winter is my favorite time of the year. Winter is my favorite time of the year. I am telling generally. I am not questioning anybody. I am not showing my excitement. I am not begging. I am not asking. I am not requesting. I am not commanding in this sentence. I am normally telling, winter is my favorite time of the year. Winter is the favorite time of the year. So normally I am telling, normal statement, general statement comes under the declarative. Normal statement, general statements comes under the declarative. Next, where is the house of assembly located? Where is the, next question and the fifth question, fourth and third completed already, fifth question we are saying now. Where is the house of assembly located? Where is the house of assembly located? I am questioning you. Where? I am asking where. Ended with a question mark. So it comes under the interrogative model. Questions will comes under the interrogative model. Okay. Next. So like this we have to identify in exam. They will give you one sentence and they will give you options. So we have to pick up, read the sentence and try to understand whether it is expressing question or normal sentence or any requested command or exclamation. Then pick up the correct option from the following. Okay. Next. Session B, one more session is there. They can ask like this also in exam. For example, identify the type of the sentence by writing declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory on the given line. So here they gave one sentences, 4 sentences they gave for you. And you have to choose the sentence whether it belongs to interrogative or assertive or declarative, whatever it is. And you have to write in the dashes what kind of sentence it is. Okay. So I will write if it is assertive, I will write, if it is declarative, I will write D. If it is interrogative, I will write I. If it is imperative, I will write IM. If it is exclamatory, I will write EX. Okay, na? Right. Now we will see. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get out. Order. It is an order. Order means it comes under the imperative model. Imperative. Imperative sentence. Order means it is imperative. All orders comes under the imperative. First sentence is imperative. Get out of my house. Imperative. Okay. Next. The Brahmas is a part of CARICOM. So here I am normally telling the Bahamas is the part of CARICOM. So here normal sentence, general sentence. It is not a question. It is not a order. It is not a suggestion. So it is normal sentence. So you can say it is a declarative. Declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. Next. Who is the principal of the school? Who is the principal of the school? Who? I am asking a question. Question. Ended with a question mark. All questions comes under the interrogative model. All questions comes under the interrogative model. It is the interrogative form. Okay. Next. I live on a Carmichael Road near the Esso gas station. So I am telling about my state. Where I am living, I am telling. Generally I am telling. So it is comes under the declarative. It comes under the declarative. So very simple, my dear students. Easily you can identify if the sentence ended with full stop and it conveys normal idea, general idea, go with the declarative. If the sentence ends with question mark, if it is saying like question words like what, when, where, then go with the interrogative. If the sentence is conveying like any order or suggestion or request or anything, then go with the imperative. If the sentence is conveying like somewhat exclamation or sudden feelings like wow, hooray, alas, this kind of feelings, if the sentence conveys, then go with the exclamatory. Easily you can identify, my dear students, but be careful, don't confuse and don't do mistake in the silly sessions, okay? So this is about all of types of sentences, and before we learn some kinds of tenses already, sentences structures I said you some, like optative sentences, exclamatory, declarative, interrogative I said some, and here also I said some. So be careful about this sentences pattern. The sentences is divided into based upon their use and expression. So every sentence have a specific use and expression, okay? So now I will ask you some questions, you just try to tell answer for me, okay? Is it raining? What kind of sentence it is? Is it raining? Is it raining? I'm asking you. It's a question. It's an interrogative. How many of you said? Everybody said it is interrogative? Very good. So now I am asking you, I am Swati Priya. What kind of sentence it is? I am Swati Priya working as an English faculty in JM Publications. So here I am Swati Priya working as an English faculty. Normal I am telling, general I said it is a statement. It is a statement about me. So statements all comes under the declarative sentences. Okay na? Yeah. Now one more sentence for you. Wear helmet. Wear helmet. Wear helmet. So what kind of sentence it is? Wear helmet is a suggestion or advice. So it comes under the imperative model. Okay. Hooray! We won the match! Hooray! We won the match! It's the happiest. It's exclamation. Hooray! Exclamation mark. So it comes under the exclamatory sentences. See, my dear students, so many kinds of sentences will be based upon its meaning and the function, and some punctuation marks like a question mark and exclamation mark, full stop, and the uses and the meaning of the sentences. You have to choose whether it belongs to the assertive or imperative or interrogative or exclamatory. Okay, I hope you understand this, you understood the session and enjoyed the session, my dear students. And thank you. Very easy to score marks in the types of sentences. Minimum one question will be there. So try to get easily. Okay, this is about the types of sentences, and we will meet in the next session with more grammatical tips and their strategies. Thank you. Thank you. I am your Swati Priya signing off. Thank you, my dear students.